Thank you for joining us this morning. A THV 11 weather impact alert has expired. Still a chaotic night for parts of the state. Almost 18,000 customers are reportedly without power across Arkansas, a result of the storm system that moved through overnight. However, our meteorologists followed that storm through the early morning hours. Simone Thomas joins me now to provide continued coverage. We still have active weather happening right now.
We still have active weather happening through the morning. Before we talk about this morning, let's kind of take a step back to look at some of those pictures from last night, because there were some reported tornado damage across some of north central Arkansas. This first picture coming out of Stone County from 56 Arkansas. This is at the First Baptist Church. Now, the National Weather Service is going to send those crews out, if not today, over the next couple days to survey the damage, and we'll get the official confirmation from whether or not this was a tornado and what strength it was. But another reported tornado damage coming out of Cave City, Arkansas. That sits right at the border of Sharp and Independence counties. Now, we also have seen some large hail pictures coming in from north central Arkansas as well. This first one coming from White County. This looks a little bit larger than dime size hail, probably closer to quarter size. And out of Cleveland County, some more large hail. Thank you all for sending those pictures in. Everybody that was impacted by those tornadoes overnight, our hearts go out to you this morning.